Yo, what's up? It's me again. Okay, so the other video the sound was cutting off, but maybe this video the sound won't cut off. So let me explain what I just did. So I created a script called score controller, and in this script I created two private variables called score player 1 and score player 2, and I set it to 0. Okay, and then I created another two variable called game object variable called score text player 1, score text player 2. This is gonna grab the text UI from my game. It's gonna grab the score text player 1 UI, which is right here, and this one is gonna grab the score text player 2 UI, which is right here. And so what this is just a text field. This is just a text field that contains the score 0, 0. Right now it's set to 0 by default. And here's the go to win right here. This one we need to implement the game to pause after they win. And I need to do that later. Okay, so here's the fix update function. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna grab the UI. So we're gonna grab the score text player 1 UI, which is from here, and we're gonna convert it to a string, and we're gonna grab it again. We'll grab player 2 UI this time, and then we're gonna update it and convert it to a string. Here's the addition counters for the player 1 goal and the player 2 goal, where we increment player 1 and player 2 scores. Alright, so this is gonna go into the fields. This is gonna go straight into the fields. So what I did was I dragged this into the field right here, and the script shows up right here. And then I need to connect the UI elements, the text elements. Right now there's nothing here, so these are the game objects. We're gonna drag in player 2 right here, and we're gonna drag in score player 1 right there, and that will connect the two text objects. And score to go to win, you're gonna enter in 5 or 10, whatever you want to test. And then okay, I'm gonna remove this because I already have it right here. That was just a demo. And then I have another script called collision controller, and in this script, this is for the ball. I've dragged it to the ball right here. It just controls where it bounces left and right, but what's important is that it also keeps track of the score, because we connected the score controller. We created a new variable called public score controller. We just created a script, remember? And so we go over here, and then what we did was collision name. So this is the script that's gonna increment the score. So we have to get the object racket player 1 or racket player 2. We have to get those collisions. Racket player 1 is right here. See that name right there? And racket player 2 is right here. And so let's see what happened if bounce from collision. Okay, so what did I don't know what I'm doing. I'm crazy. So this is just gonna bounce. The first one's just gonna bounce. The second one, it's gonna detect wall left or wall right. So this one is gonna detect wall left. Wall left is right here. This is also a game object. It's a cube that's called wall left. See, collision.gameObject.name equals wall left. So if we find wall left, then it's gonna debug collision with wall left, and then we're gonna have to increment player 2 score, because they got a score when they hit that wall. And then for this one, else if collision game object name equals wall right, which is right here. Where's my wall on the right? I think the wall right is right here. What? I don't see it anywhere. Where is it? Wall right. Oh, there it is. What the heck? Can't even see it. Let me make it bigger. There. Okay. So that's the wall right. There it is. It's right there. Okay. So if it hits that wall right, you're gonna debug collision with wall right, and then you're gonna increment player one score by calling this go player one method, which is right here. All right, let's give a quick demo and see what's happening so far. Okay, we're gonna roll the game. We're gonna let it run. So it's going there. It hit that, and it disappeared. I don't know where it went. Okay, so it hit the right and the left, so they both got a score. Let's reset this. All right, go. Okay, it's not moving anywhere. Okay, let me click on this. That's a quad. No, let me click on the ball. The ball's right here. Movement speed 800. Why is it not moving? I don't know why it's not moving. Let's reset this game. Okay. Boom. Okay, we got one score, got two score, 3, 4. Go get 5. Okay. Okay, that's 5. Right now the game is not stopping, it's just gonna keep going. But debug method game 1, collision with wall right, collision with wall left. These collision messages also gives you a score. But yeah, it's working. That's my demo so far. That's what I did so far. In my next video, I'm gonna explain to you what the heck is going on in another video. Right now, I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm gonna fix it and I'll explain another better explanation in another video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye. Subscribe.